This is how the light looks during the day. It's super bright outside. And I just put it here just to show you. I put it facing the wall, but you can also put the light facing you. So as you can see, it has all the numbers 4, 3, 2, and 1 to put it together. And if I turn it like towards me, you won't be able to see as much the color. And this one is red, for instance. So if I put it that way, you will be able to appreciate it a little bit more, especially now that we have more lights. And this is the remote. So for instance, if I want like the yellow light, if I want the blue light, if I want the purple light, the magenta, the blue, like a deeper blue, green, and red, or all this like even a little bit more red, green, blue, and then I think this one is like music kind of style. Then this one is the other part, like that you only do it on the bottom, for instance. You can lock it probably there. I'm just playing with the remote right now. And then color, speed, I guess you can make it like to go faster or to go slower. This is for less bright, more bright, and then I guess you can change the mode with this. Or auto. So now you see that it creates like a different style of lighting. So if you want to have a party on, then this is the right light. And then if you only want just one color, let's say I just want it to be like red, it will stay like that. So yeah, there you go. I mean, especially like sometimes if you're recording videos, you want to have like a different light. This is a great option to consider. Oh yeah, white over here, white. So you have the white light over here, if that's what you're going for, and then color, if you're going for color. So this is a very versatile option of lighting if you're looking for that. So this one will give you the white if you want the white, and then the color. And then let me turn the other one just to see the difference with the white. So that is the white on this one. That is like a white, like a cold white, like a bluish white. And then as you can see, the other one is more like a warm white. So it will give you a different vibe, the warm and the cold. So you can see the difference between this one. So that's another thing to consider about, okay? And I hope this video was helpful.